Imagine this, you're sitting on your couch, half asleep, scrolling your phone. You tap a video and boom, it plays instantly. But wait, how did that video jump from some server halfway across the world straight into your hand in less than a second? Welcome to the invisible city called the Internet, a place buzzing with traffic. Lights and letters flying faster than the speed of thought. Picture the world as one massive glowing map at night, cities shining like stars, all connected by electric veins under the oceans. Every computer, every phone, every smart fridge, yup, even your fridge is a tiny house in this city. When you open YouTube, you're basically shouting out your window, "Hey, I want that cat video." Your shout reaches your modem, the friendly neighborhood post office. It says, "All right, I'll send your request to the right address." But wait, how does it know where that cat video lives? That's where the DNS comes in. It's like Google Maps for the internet. You give it a name, youtube.com, and it gives you a location, something like
142.50.190.78.
Doesn't sound catchy, right? That's why we use names instead of numbers. Now that your modem knows where to go, it chops your message into tiny envelopes called data packets. Each packet has a label that says, "To YouTube HQ from Joe's phone handle with care." Then zoom. Those packets fly out of your house. They jump into cables, bounce through routers, and race across digital highways. Think of routers as traffic cops of the internet. They stand at intersections shouting, "You go left through Singapore. You go right through Japan. Wait, you take the undersea tunnel." Each packet takes its own routes, some short, some long, but they all meet up again at the destination. Now imagine millions of these letters flying everywhere at once, people sending memes, emails, money, and videos. It's chaos, beautiful chaos. But somehow every single packet knows where to go. Why? Because routers talk to each other constantly. They gossip, they argue, they share maps. If one road breaks, they reroute instantly. It's like the world's fastest GPS that never sleeps. Your packets finally reach YouTube's server, a huge data center that hums like a sleeping dragon. The server reads your request and goes, "Ah, yes, another cat video lover. Approved." Then it sends its own packets back to you. Here's the sound. Here is the video frame. Here is the ad you didn't ask for. All those packets travel back through the same maze. Find your house, knock on your modem's door, and line up politely inside your phone. Your phone's processor puts them together like puzzle pieces and ta-da! A cat jumps into a box on your screen. That entire round trip. It took less than 1 second. But the story doesn't stop there. The roads your data travels on aren't magical, they're real. Under the oceans, thick cables stretch for thousands of kilometers. Each one carries pulses of light that's your data moving at near light speed. If you could dive deep enough, you'd see glowing lines connecting continents like spider silk. Above us, satellites act as flying post offices. They catch signals from deserts, ships, and mountaintops where cables can't go. And every time you see HTTPS, it means your letters are locked with invisible seals. Encryption, so no one can read them except the right person. Think of it this way. Every second, billions of conversations, songs, selfies, and secrets zip through this electric city. It's like a global heartbeat, pulsing 24/7. When you're asleep, your emails are still flying. When you're awake, someone across the planet is streaming your favorite show. And sure, sometimes things get stuck. Your Wi-Fi drops, your video buffers. That's just a digital traffic jam. Maybe a router took a wrong turn or a cable under the sea got cranky. Engineers rush in like digital plumbers, fixing, patching, rerouting. The moment they're done, whoosh, traffic flows again. So next time you hit send, just picture your message wearing a little backpack, racing across oceans, dodging routers, and arriving safely at its destination. Because somewhere out there, millions of invisible postmen are working tirelessly, delivering your letters at the speed of light. The internet isn't just wires and machines. It's the greatest city humans ever built. One that never sleeps, never stops talking, and somehow connects every single one of us. But it's also fragile. One broken cable can slow an entire country. That's why thousands of engineers, day and night, guard the pulse of the internet. They're the unsung heroes, digital firefighters keeping your messages alive. And in the end, the most magical part is this. Behind all the fiber optics, code, and machines, it's still powered by us, humans connecting to humans. A message from one heart, traveling as electricity, jumping through glass, water, and air, just to reach another person somewhere far away. That's not just technology, that's the story of human connection, wired, coded, and alive.